Hey bro, I want to share my recent trip experience with you. Last weekend we went at the beach. No. Actually, when you have to say this, आप ये कहेंगे I went to the beach, not I went at the beach. Yeah, okay. I went to the beach and we had a lot of fun and with my friends I enjoyed and I swam into the ocean. Again wrong. Not I swam into the ocean. You were already in the ocean, na? So you will say I swam in the ocean. Now you are correct. Okay, I swam in the ocean. Right. And we also had a party beside the sand. Not we had a party beside the sand. You will say we had a party on the sand. अब ये करेक्ट दोस्तों, ये थी कुछ प्रीपोजिशंस मिस्टेक्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, लेकिन तब तक इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरी चैनल को फॉलो कीजिए। पार्टी